Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to forecast keywords by using Google Ads. So for this you have to click on the start button, then simply type in Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, then click on enter. After that choose the first option from here, and once you are here you have to just simply click on the sign in option or the start now option from here. For the sign in option you can just simply put in your login credentials, and after that it will simply take you to a page like this. Then what you need to do is simply click on the tools icon, and if you once you click on the tools icon in the left hand side, here you can see it has already took us to the tools icon, and here you have to just simply click on the keyword planner from here, and then you have to just go for the get search volume and forecasts. And once you are here, just type a volume or forecast, then just click on get started according to your keyword preferences. And after that, here you can see that the keyword is already here, and here you can see that the 3-month change and all other option is showing here, and you can also choose the date as well. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.